In this video, I'll guide you through how to buy games on Steam. Buying games on Steam is quick and straightforward. Whether you're purchasing your first game or adding another title to your collection, Steam makes it easy to browse, pay, and start playing in just a few steps. To get started, open the Steam application on your computer or visit the Steam website in your web browser. Once you're signed into your account, find the game you'd like to purchase. You can use the search bar or browse through the Steam store until you find the game you want. Click on the game to open its store page. Once you're there, scroll down and decide which version of the game you'd like to buy. Some games are available in different editions, such as a standard version or a deluxe edition with extra content. Choose the version that best suits you, then click Add to Cart. After adding the game to your cart, you'll automatically be taken to your shopping cart. Here, you'll be asked whether you'd like to purchase the game for yourself or buy it as a gift for someone else. If you're buying it for your own account, simply choose the option to purchase it for yourself. Next, you'll need to choose your payment method. Steam supports several payment options, including Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, and other methods depending on your region. Select the payment method you'd like to use, then click Continue to move to the next step. If you're paying with a card, you'll be prompted to enter your card details. If you're using another payment method, simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-in or authorization process. Once you reach the Review and Purchase page, take a moment to check that everything is correct, including the game you're buying and your selected payment method. You'll also need to review and agree to the Steam subscriber agreement before completing the purchase. When you're ready, click Purchase to finalize your order. After your payment has been processed, you'll see a confirmation message thanking you for your purchase. To install your new game, click on Library at the top of Steam. You'll find the game listed on the left-hand side. Select it, click Install, and once the installation's complete, you'll be ready to launch the game and start playing.